In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the brake system on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. With a clean rag, wipe the top of the master cylinder reservoir, wipe off the cap, make sure no dust gets in. You can twist off the cap to the left, slide it off. Sometimes on the cap it tells you what type of fluid to use. This one does not. It says on the side of the reservoir, and this is .3 fluid. Now we're going to use a fluid extraction pump and take out any dirty fluid. Now I'm going to top off the brake fluid with fresh new .3 brake fluid. Put the cap on. You want to make sure you have all 4 wheels off, and you're going to have an assistant help you do this bleed procedure. We're going to take this little cap off the bleeder, and we're starting with the right rear wheel. I'm just going to take a hose, 11mm wrench, that goes over the bleeder first, then your hose with a bottle. We want the hose going up. And you can have your assistant get in the vehicle. With your assistant in the vehicle, we'll have them pump the brakes. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal 3 times, nice and slow. And then hold it. While they're holding it, we're just going to open the bleeder, get some brake fluid out. Here we go. You can see there's a little bit of bubbles in there. Just close that. Okay, pump it up. And hold it. Open it again. A little bit of bubbles, not too bad. We'll close the bleeder. All right, go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. All right, close that up. Then we can take the bottle off. You can let off the brake pedal. Take the hose off. And take the wrench off. Make sure this is snug. Put the cap back on. And move to the next wheel. Now we are going to be on the left rear wheel, or driver's side rear. Take the little cap off. Put the bleeder hose on and the 11mm wrench. And have your assistant pump the brake pedal. And then hold it. Open the bleeder. And then close it. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Open the bleeder. Close it up again. Pump the brake pedal. And hold it. All right, that's good. Now we can take the hose off, take the wrench off, make sure the bleeder screw is snug, put the cap back on. Now we're going to be on the right front caliper. You want to double check, make sure the master cylinder is full of brake fluid, top it off if needed. Take the cap off with a 10mm wrench, put that on first, and then the bleeder hose. And have your assistant pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Crack that open. We've got some fluid. And we'll close it. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Crack it open. More brake fluid. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it, and hold it. Crack it open, and close it up. We can take the hose off, make sure this is snug. Put the cap back on. Next, we're going to be on the driver's side front, or the left front. You're going to double check, top off the brake fluid in the master cylinder. Now we'll take this cap off. You might need a pick just to help get the cap off if you need to. Using a 10mm wrench, put that over, and then the bleeder hose. Then have your assistant pump the brake pedal. Open the bleeder screw. We've got a lot of fluid. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. And close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Close it up again. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Close it up. You can go ahead and let up. And go ahead, pump the brakes. Take the hose off. You can let off the brakes. Take the wrench off. Make sure that bleeder screw is snug. And you want to put the cap on. Check the fluid level. And then you want to go around and do the same procedure at each wheel, starting with the right rear, and then the left rear, the right front, and then also the left front. You want to do that until the fluid is clear. Reinstall the wheel. Torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.